On November 8, 2023, a routine traffic stop on Highway 79 in Thornton took a dangerous turn when the driver sped off at 100 miles per hour, leading to a dramatic chase. What pushed this encounter to escalate so quickly, and how did it all come to a crashing end? Stick around to find out.
Forward 15, we'll reach the stop again. Are you headed towards Beard? Corner. 4 northbound. 15, if you can create a delay and point you back to the visual in the sport eye. For over.
After a successful TVI ended the chase with the suspect's vehicle rolling into a median, the driver and passenger attempted to flee on foot, but were swiftly apprehended. The driver, Khalili Trevon Galloway, now faces a staggering list of charges, including felony fleeing in possession of a firearm. This pursuit is a stark reminder of the serious consequences of fleeing law enforcement and endangering lives on the road. On June 21, 2023, a stolen Toyota Corolla triggered a heart-pounding chase through Little Rock, hitting speeds over 100 miles per hour as it weaved recklessly through traffic. What would drive someone to risk it all? Hold on tight, because this pursuit is about to get intense.
Primary 1037.
Local unit says now 1063 out of 36 to 37.
Speeds 106. Getting off on Broadway.
Speeds 106, taking Broadway.
Stay just wrecked out. Get out of the fucking car!
Come here, folks. Come here. My leg! Come up here. My leg!
How do you want to do this?
Glove up, we're gonna have to pull him out.
Stop! You're gonna cut yourself even more. Just stop. Just stay there. Do you understand? Okay, just stay there. Stop moving. Keep your hands where we can see them.
Hands right there. Hold on 1 second. I'm rubbing up.
God damn! Hey, check on this.
Yeah, I got somebody over there checking on. She's out of the car. She's right over there. Hold on. I can't even see.
You can't move. You're gonna hurt yourself even more. Do you understand? Stop moving! You're gonna cut yourself even more. You can scream all you want. Stop moving.
I don't think we should take him out, guys. Please don't move.
You got an ambulance on the way?
Yeah, they're on the way. Stop moving. You're going to cut yourself. Give me just a second. We have something that we can try to slow this bleeding down.
After an explosive crash at high speed, the suspect's wild escape came to a crashing halt. Rushed to the hospital and facing serious charges, this high-speed chase is a chilling reminder of just how far some will go, and the deadly consequences that follow reckless decisions. On a tense evening in Alma, a stolen car with a suicidal juvenile at the wheel sparked a high-speed chase, reaching over 120 miles per hour and veering into oncoming traffic. What made this pursuit so dangerous, and how far would this desperate escape go? Stay with us for the shocking details.
County Gas Spikes, all now. Get up there to you, we can try to spin and man my Drake.
That's right, Cal. You're up first.
He ran him down with this. We got a powerful thing now. Come on, try to box here. Hey, boy.
On the ground. Get on the fucking ground. Get on the ground.
Get off me!
Get off the ground.
Get off me!
Like you get somebody fucking killed, dumbass.
Get off me!
I got cuffs.
Get off me! I can't breathe.
You talking, you're breathing. Hush. Hang on. Let me get stand up. I got you. Yeah. Can you double up?
After a dramatic series of high-speed maneuvers and a crash that left the vehicle disabled, the suspect was stopped using a tactical intervention. Though the juvenile was taken to the hospital, the consequences of her reckless flight are severe, with charges ranging from felony fleeing to theft and criminal mischief. This harrowing chase is a sobering reminder of the unpredictable and dangerous nature of high-stakes pursuits.